Good morning, students. We are going to see lines 38, KTU, July 2018. The question says, line PQ has its true length 108 mm, the plan length is 60 mm, elevation length is 90 mm, the end P is in HP and the end Q is in BP. You are asked to draw the projections and find out the traces. Okay. XY line. Since the end P is on HP, I take P dash on XY line. P dash on XY line because P is in HP. If you assume the line is parallel to VP, elevation will be true length. We don't know how the line is now. Suppose you assume the line is parallel to VP, the elevation is true length, and the plan length you will get. Plan length is given as 60. Take that plan length here, 60, and draw a projector. On to that, take true length and cut. This is Q1 dash. Q1 dash. How much is this? This is 108. And how much is this? This is 60. True length. I have already told you this is not the correct way of dimensioning, just for information. On this Q1 dash, you have LBE. What does LBE contain? LBE contains B dash, the elevation of the end capital B. Elevation like is given as 90. Take that in your compass and cut Q dash. What is P dash Q dash? P dash Q dash is P dash Q dash is the final elevation. P dash Q dash is the final elevation. If this is Q dash, where is the plan Q? The end Q is in VP. So this is Q. If this is Q, where is P? Plan of the end capital P on this projector. Where? Take the plan length in your compass 60 and cut an arc. P. So that PQ is the plan. You have got the elevation and the plan of the line. I repeat, locate P dash, take 60 horizontally. We don't know where is the plan of this point. That is why you don't draw PQ1. That's why you don't draw PQ1 initially, but you take the distance 60, draw a projector. On to that, take true length and cut Q1 dash. Draw the locus through Q1 dash, take the elevation length 90 and cut, you get Q dash. Drop it down, you get Q. Drop this down and take plan length and cut an arc. Add P dash locate here, 60 mm horizontal project, point mark the projector, true length cut here, Q1 dash, Q1 dash locus Q dash elevation length 90 compass P dash locus cut Q dash P dash Q dash ആണ് final elevation. Q dash ന് താഴേക്ക് പ്രൊജക്റ്റ് വരയ്ക്കുമ്പോൾ x y ൽ Q കിട്ടും. Why? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് Q x y ൽ വരുന്നത്? The end Q is on VP. ഒരു പോയിന്റ് VP കിടന്നാൽ അതിന്റെ പ്ലാൻ x y ലായിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് Q ആണ്. ഈ P dash നുള്ള പ്രൊജക്ടറിൽ P ഉണ്ട്. എവിടെയുണ്ട്? Q ൽ കുത്തി പ്ലാൻ ലെങ്ത് എടുത്ത് ഈ പ്രൊജക്ടറിനെ കട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ P കിട്ടും. PQ is the plan. അപ്പോൾ പ്ലാൻ എലിവേഷൻ വരച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞു. എന്താ കാണാൻ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കണം? XT and VT. XT യും VT യും കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. പ്ലാൻ എക്സ്റ്റെൻഡ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ x y ലെ കട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് V. When you extend the plan, it cut XY at V. Draw a vertical line to them and extend the elevation. Then meet at VT. Vertical line already under, elevation already under. Q dash itself is VT. Q dash തന്നെയാണ് VT. അതുപോലെ elevation extend ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ x നെ കട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് H. P dash itself is H. Draw a vertical line, H vertical line വരിക, plan extend ചെയ്യുക HT. P തന്നെയാണ് HT. This is HT, this is VT. I hope you understand. Now, there was one more question in the same question paper. The question is, there is a room 8 meter by 5 meter and 4 meter tall. 8 meter by 5 meter and 4 meter tall. Let us draw the plan and elevation of the room. This is the plan of the room. This is the elevation of the room. I call A, B, C, D the corners of the bottom of the room. E, F, G, H the top corners of the room. So that A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash, H dash is the elevation of the room. Plan and elevation of the room. Now the question says, a bulb is hung, a light is hung 1 meter down the roof at the center. Where is the center of the roof? Draw the diagonals. This is the center of the roof. I call it what you call as P. Where is P dash? 1 meter down. P dash. So P dash is the point where the light is situated. 1 meter down the roof. 1 meter down the roof. This is 8 meters. This is 5 meters. And this is 4 meters. Agreed. And this is 1 meter down the roof. Where is the switch? The switch is 2 meter above. The switch is 2 meter above at a corner. Where is the corner? AE is a corner, vertical edge of the vertical corner. AE, BF, CG and DH are 4 corners of the room and vertical edges of the room. ABCD are the bottom corners, EFGH are the top corners. So AE is the vertical corner, vertical edge corner, and BF, CG and DH. Let us take the corner BF. BF is B is the bottom corner, F is the top corner. There, 2 meter above the corner is what? Change color. 2 meter above the corner is the switch, yes. So this is the plan of the switch, yes. And here is 2 meters above, yes dash. The total height is 4 meters. 2 meters above the ground is, above the corner is the switch. PS or SP and S dash P dash represents what? SP is the distance between capital SP. Capital SP is what? Distance between the bulb and the switch. Agreed? If you connect the bulb and the switch with a wire is required actually. Ignoring the allowances or additional length to be provided, the distance between the bulb and the switch is SP. Yes, small sp is its plan and small s dash p dash is the elevation. Small sp is the plan and s dash, small sp is the plan, s dash p dash is the elevation. You are asked to find out the true length of the line, true length of the wire. What do you say? What do you do? You make it parallel to its value. P1. Project P1 up to this level. P1 dash. Join it to S dash. Agreed? I repeat. Make SP parallel to XY. Make SP parallel to XY. You get P1. Project P1 upwards and draw a horizontal line through P dash and connect S dash P dash. What is S dash P dash? S dash P dash is the true length of the line connecting the bulb and the switch. I hope you understand. So these two questions have come in KTU July 2008. Okay. Thank you.